Why too many warrant alternating current. Gegenhau, now Golden Sow, liver cells in old Glasgow.
Feel it out now. If we were really so stuck, would the captain shudder? That he would for might, Captain.
They call it kicking, because you snap like a towel in glassy tile showers, that's why. Carefully, what are you going to be? Are they goddesses? Prayer is just poetry? What, you worship the sun? Come on. Willkommen aus der real Welt! It's gonna be a welt you can really feel and see.
I'll say it's criminal, subliminal, lingual. It's warm Coke gingers and a deep milk hill ticket. How about them dykes at the post office? How about them pikes in a Lost Lake kumbaya? Come on by with those dykes anytime. We're the macho meat they don't even need. Here's to vents that don't shent. Here's to a little pelt. A little pelt for piercing. Heaven shent.
End of the muck. Yes, Sonny, yes, it can someday all come back. That it, that he, that she, sure capsized. He sure captitted. Gossamer they all weren't.
It was too painful finally to go on. You ask, sir, what has changed? Well, Hitler, sir, has dudded up some fellows in Polak get-ups. And I think they're Jewish. None of these guys Jewish, you're just the one. And shut them down, and Viva thinking, September 1st moving date. And I've already got the deposit on the moving match and everything.
When they came for South Dakota, I said nothing. Well, I said plenty, but by then, the loop had become a big noose.
You must, yo voy a la playa, la humanidad. The only nature in the city on many streets. I watered the trees near my house last summer. A long, long drought you've forgotten. You have no connection to nature, your mother. I carried the buckets. I just watched as the rest of them came hurtling much faster towards death. Meaning they didn't die, but that's not success. Living well for a tree, that's success. Especially when you're pinned in on all sides with concrete. Right by the highway where the trees are the most... Failing air quality tests. Remember that? Well, at least we're not eating that bad air. We're not sexing that bad air up or anything. Golly, gackle. Huh? Golly, golly.
And here by the grace of God are we, alternately shunned and squibbling for the Catalytians. It's no shame to go on stirring your drink. Go ahead. Stare at it. I'd be staring at you if I were your drink. Have the last few years for you been a little bit like, Mama! I got me a tarantula farm for free! And I'm going to be in a big fancy clinical test and have me orange juice and liver pate! A long face for Beavy the Pokable Pelt. Here's for the numbers. Here's for the twitching ride, the bitch. Tell me your raspy flan thimble sticks, mesmer each mask, and whatever might you mean. It's the whole bulbous prickhead of the island, coated in homo kryptonite, and...
At every seventh word I'll ask you, please, to invent a new word, never uttering the word which is in fact written. For there creepeth the lily log. She She comes like a scum horse. She comes like a scum horse. A lot of hating on sperm. Scum, waste man, waste sperm, unfit. Soiling our well water with your chowder lips. You're coming too close. Too close, you're coming too close. You are sheets full of bull weevils. I'm a Gary Larson pill. Who pulled the fickle pickle?
Tiny, pasty rabbits, tidbits, pellets. Savor your pelts. Own east, own west, own left, just own.
I've seen weather for and the wind, when it thrattles dimly in the twilight's last, its last. The thing is, there is no return, you know it. When they came for Vomit Mohammed, the Turk with the trunk, and he was all yellow. You cast your drink at me in preconscious rehearsal, nocturnal admonition. Why invoke O? You don't I, cataclysm you, phantasm, clism, wasm, and all were warm verm inside. Verm attack! The pink pony is mostly white and warm. Being is itself not a being.
Prison town's the only town around. Just as much a liar as me. Pinocchio boner popper.
Manufactured by capitalism, stitched to seam to die and crease by Untermenschen and property states, road, prison, farm, sex, garment, servile, optimum commodification, indentured teeth, pulled, perhaps with the hard-won formality of a slave wage.